to create a new tab, and I'm going to go to my mashup server, and if the internet is good, then it'll load well. And here you can see that I have my single sign-on, right? So we can single sign on all these products. Of course, they're integrated very well. And I want to just very quickly create a new page. It's very simple. All I have to do is type in a new page. And now I can provide all types of widgets onto this page. So I'm going to drag the OpenStreetMap onto this page. Now the idea here is that I want to merge my loan information, and I'm just going to move this over here. I want to merge my loan information with something like some external feeds from maybe the MLS system, those multiple listing systems that actually show how houses are doing, where the houses are, whether or not they're being sold or not. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to drill down into the open catalog here. And the Mashup Hub allows us to provide shared feeds to others. And of course it has all of those social computing in it. So you have things like ratings. So first thing I want to do, I'll search for a loan here. I can get information about my dashboard information. So I'm pulling in that dashboard information from the portal itself. And I can even see how I can mash that up with the MLS itself. So let me just drill down into the loan and MLS mashup here. And you can see I have the ratings. I even have comments. Hey, great way to track how OFN is doing. Open Financial Network. We're into three-letter acronyms here. So I can see that this is actually color-coded, right? I have a map of loans that are processed that are blue. I have foreclosed homes that are red. And homes that are actually being purchased are green. So now I can get this color coding to see how the foreclosed homes are doing, how my loan business is doing, how they're overlapping, and if there's actually any overlap, then things are doing well, right? And I can say, all right, well, maybe this region is picking up. So all I have to do is I just grab this feed here, so I'm just going to copy the link. And I can drop it right into my street map here and provide the URL. And what's going to happen here is it's going to go back to the internet and provide me a color-coded pin set of all the homes in this area. Now, please don't buy this home because I'm actually looking for homes. So this is my mashup that I'm using to find homes in the area. So if I wanted to maybe provide a little more information about these homes, I can even edit the settings again and provide a little more data by just updating the elements here so that I can provide data. So I'm just going to save this out again. And you'll see it reload here. And now I can see all types of information about the homes that are being foreclosed on and homes that are actually being purchased. And now I can actually understand where the market is within my region and perhaps act upon that by saying, hey, promotions guys, maybe you should look at my mashup and do something about this, right? Now, let's say, for example, this mashup actually becomes very, very important to my business, right? It's matured from that situational application, and now we want to make it an enterprise application. Well, how can I take this information and move it right in a portal? Well, again, it's really simple here. I just have to go back to my Open Financial page, but before I do that, I want to close this, I think. Yep. Yeah, there we go. And now I can go back to Open Financial Network, and I'm going to open up the portal palette. And we have a set of widgets that you can find on the catalog, or portlets that you can find on the portal catalog, that allow you to take the widget and bring it in a portal. So I installed this the other day, and now I can grab my OpenStreetMap here. And I just have to drag it right onto my dashboard page. And in context, I get my OpenStreetMap again. And now I can provide all this data from that widget in line with my dashboard. And what's really neat about this is that, let's say, for example, I want to just see just the loan information. So I want to take just the loan information from my dashboard and provide that right in the street map. Well, again, it can be really simple here. All I have to do is drag and drop the link right in. And now I can see where my loans are actually being applied for.